This is not what I ordered. Hi everyone, it's Kitty here. So today I just received my parcel from my Risen Ahri cosplay. So unfortunately the fox ear and fox tail come in the wrong color. So today I decided to do a video on how I can change this into this. So in order for us to change the color of the tail and the ear, we will need to shave off the faulty color parts. And then we are going to use the method that I showed in this video before. These are the things that we'll be using for this video. Now the ear looks pretty. Let's move on to dyeing it. These are the things that you'll need. We will be using brown for the main piece, and then a little bit of red on the inside of the ear. So all we need to do is just tap on some of the paint and then brush it on. Now you can use the brush to kind of brush the color paint into the fur. This is much better, right? Repeat the same process for the tail. After shaving off the black bits, you end up with something like this. Don't worry about this part because we're gonna dye it red.